Hi guys, so we are going to be making lemonade today. Welcome back to the channel. So today we are making lemonade, and this is my lemons. I've already cut them into two, and this is my squeezer. This is the squeezer I'm going to be using, and I'm just going to go right into it and start squeezing, and I'm going to get all the juice, and this is the juice I got from it, and this is sugar. I'm going to make my sugar concentration from it. I'm adding 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water, and I'm going to just put it on the gas and bring it to a boil. So when the sugar disappears in the water, that means I'm ready. So I'm going to pour 1 cup of lemon into the jar. I'm going to pour my sugar concentration into the jar as well, and I'm going to be adding some ice cubes into it. This is me just stirring it, and I'm going to be adding ice cubes to it. So really basically that is all you need for your lemonade. And of course I'm going to be adding some lemon, sliced lemon, to just add some flavor into the lemonade. So guys, your lemonade is ready and can be taken at this point. You can take it now, and gosh, it is good for the weather. So will you be trying this lemonade? Let me know in the comment section, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share and like. Thank you guys. Till I see you some other time. Bye.